I'm Nurse C of ABlessedRN, and I am a dosage calculations tutor, and I've come up with a cool way to do medication math with puzzle pieces. Started off as an LPN, and I worked in several different specialties. And then I went back for my associate's degree and became an RN, and then I went and got my BS then. And that's pretty much landed us to where we are now.
Your inspiration to create this book?
This book? Well, nursing students, when they apply for school, they're afraid of one thing: the math. And so me being a pharmacy technician before I was a nurse, I had a pretty good grasp on the dosage calculations portion. I was often the student that was in class helping out others, understand it and get past it, because it's a pretty big deal in school. Either you pass or fail, or you get kicked out, or you can't go to clinicals. It's a lot of consequences when you don't know how to do the medication math. Not to mention the safety aspect when you're taking care of your patients. So I came up with a method to do dimensional analysis that takes out the math anxiety and makes it more like solving a puzzle. So it's straight to the point, no formulas, no tedious steps, no mathy lingo, just puzzle pieces. Your order, your medication, your patient's weight, and we're going to piece those units together and form a puzzle to get the bigger picture.
Why should nursing students buy your book?
This is the book that I wish I had when I was in school. No fluff. You have over 300 practice problems. You have background, you have breakdown, you have hints, tricks, and puzzle pieces. Like I said, it's not your typical math. So if you can multiply, divide, subtract, and add, then you can absolutely do this math. It's a way to do dimensional analysis so that you can consistently get the right answers every single time. You can watch millions of videos and then freeze up on the exam. Well, not with this method. You're going to remember to put your pieces together like a puzzle.